Understanding a girl's feeling about you is very difficult. But psychology gives us few facts that would help you to know a girl better and persuade her for intercourse. You will get to know a lot from this video, so do watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel, for more interesting facts about women. When a woman tells you about her problems, it means she trusts you, and she wants to have sex with you. 80% of women use silence to express their pain, but they express all their secrets and sex needs with their friends. So always show a friendly attitude towards girls. A study says that women can easily trust people who hug them for more than 20 seconds. Sometimes it might seem like a long time, but it's certainly worth it to hold a woman for that long, as if a girl starts trusting you, then she would do anything for you. Everyone may think that winter is the best time of the year to have sex, but anyone who thinks that is completely wrong. In fact, a study says that women have more sex in the summer than in any other season, because of the smells of the season. When a woman's nipple is erect in front of you, it means that she might be excited for you and wants to do sex with you. She might be imagining what position would be best while intercourse. After sex, women don't feel like sleeping. They want to suck your penis, and want you to press their breasts. So don't forget to do that. Women over the age of 40 generally have an easier time reaching orgasm than women under the age of 40. Believe me, there are women who have an intense vaginal orgasm, who release a large amount of fluid during sexual intercourse, and even think it is urine. Most women will seek to talk to you, more out of a psychological need than a physiological one, but with men the opposite is true. Most women are introvert, but they show some signs that they want to have sex with you. If you want a video on those signs, then do comment below. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do subscribe our channel and like this video for more amazing facts about girls.